Jenica, ang operator ng DTF dito sa branch ng Metrotown na may 6 na araw na bilang at meron 33 total of meters. At ito naman po yung egg clean natin. At ito naman yung damper. At ito yung capping natin na may 90% good condition po. Egg clean. After natin mag-get clean, punasan natin ng wiper, nozzle test, ink system natin tama lang ang label, at ito naman yung grand wire, twist tank kakapalit lang ngayong araw, ito yung EBR natin, ito yung mga use, unused, at ito naman yung stock natin ng DTF powder at ink white po, at ito yung DTF film natin. At ito yung daily output record natin. Consumable withdrawal at weekly physical inventory. At ito naman yung monthly maintenance checklist natin. Salamat po.